Where are you at?
I'm at Blizzard Studios, Blizzard Entertainment headquarters in Irvine. Try and keep myself composed and not freak out completely.
Wow.
Yeah. I will go to this your
Curb Your Enthusiasm, Larry David, and all those people. They had.
You see the floor-to-ceiling art pieces. Chances are he had a hand in putting them there. One of the cool things about our museum is that it does change quarterly. We have different themes every quarter, and the theme for this quarter is the Worlds of Blizzard. So you'll see lots of artwork, especially like scenic or landscape style pieces. Charity pets with Make-A-Wish, and with those two charity pets combined, we've raised over $1.9 million for the charity. Actually, I don't know how much work does go into them. So up top we have some of the unpainted, unfinished pieces, and then down here a plethora of artwork on display here. We have an entire team at Blizzard dedicated to housing and archiving all of the artwork. They're called creative development or creative services. And they tag all of our pieces, label them, store them, and make them available to all teams at Blizzard. As you can imagine, being 20 years old, we have acquired quite a bit of artwork over the years in the millions of pieces. And the really cool thing about all of the artwork you see up here is that it is all done in-house. We outsource nothing. All the artwork is done by Blizzard.
It's really interesting because we're trying to integrate things.
Alright, are you ready to move outside next? Okay, come on back around here, guys.
Yeah, like you can't show blood, you can't show stuff.
I mean, unless it wasn't sort of scheduled for here.
For our 20th anniversary, this was put up at our company holiday party, and employees were allowed. For BlizzCon, the one on your right there, that's Illidan. He was the last boss of the Burning Crusade expansion, and he was debuted at E3 2005, I believe. And then over there we have Kerrigan, the Queen of Blades. She was debuted at our StarCraft 2 announcement. Old school, played World of Warcraft for a very long time. You will probably recognize the Summoning Stone to our left. Back before we had Dungeon Finder, we had a Summoning Stone. Yep. So if you wanted to create a group and you wanted to get everyone at the same time, you all had to go and click on this.
Yeah. This is the Diablo 3 building.
Huh? What?
Diablo 3 building.
How do you know?
She just said.
Oh.
People that make Diablo 3.
It is a great two-day convention where players get to come and see what's coming up, what's new that we're talking about, and they get a chance to interact with the developers one-on-one, which is really what it's all about for us. Making its debut at BlizzCon 2011 was Tyrael. I work when I was here, we have our BlizzCon actually from last year.
A lot of detail.
This is Jim Raynor from StarCraft 2.
On the face, huh?
When making this
He's got a heads-up display.
Yeah, it's bringing his face.
So the piping you see is on his waist there is from a junkyard. The leather you see on his gun holster is actual leather, and the hair you see on his head is actually human. One of the server blades. That was originally used for World of Warcraft players.
Is it the realm name?
There's no data on it. It wasn't part of the history, so we actually auctioned a large amount.